It's like that Welsh hymn, How Great Thou Art, when I stand in awesome wonder and see what you created for me. This is such a place of inspiration, it's unbelievable. My name is Peter Howlett. I'm an artisan ukulele maker. We are at Capel Salem in Talasan, which is right on the edge of Snowdonia. My ancestors come from here. We're surrounded by mountains. When I leave my house, I can see Snowdon. So I've been making ukulele since 1994. It's just truly the thinking man's violin. It's the instrument of the people. I'm effectively an international maker. I have ukuleles in Hawaii, Japan, Australia, Alaska, Belgium, Norway, and a few in Britain. You take a block of wood, you cut into it, and it is the most thrilling thing that can happen. You have this thing and it reveals itself to you, and you almost automatically know what that is going to be, how it's going to look. My instruments in the last 5 years have had my signature on them, on the headstock, a depiction of Snowdon. Crafts in this particular area, because we are supported well, flourish. Wherever you go, people just respond to it because there's that kind of Welsh vibe of creativity, which the Welsh are extremely famous for, and it's cool. If you're passionate about something, and if you really believe in yourself and what you're doing, you will put that into whatever you do. I think in life you discover at some point that you're born to do something. I like the idea that this little thing that is just made out of 26 sticks of wood has such a great effect on people.